In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize PNL tracker on Axiom. So this is actually quite simple. First, you'll need an Axiom Pro account. In case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. Axiom is packed with some premium features you can only get over here, and they're amazing and for free as well, such as wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, you have the PNL trackers, amazing reward system, you can buy Solana directly on here, you have some amazing filters you can filter through, etc. So as I said, you won't regret it. Make sure to check it down below. Now, to customize your PNL tracker on Axiom, it's actually quite simple. You want to go down here at the bottom where you can see it says PNL tracker. Click on that, and then this PNL tracker will show up. Now, of course, right now it's the basic one, the usual one. So what you should do, if you actually want to change it, is you want to click on this setting icon, top left, and then in here, you can basically do whatever you want. So you can swap USD and Solana just like this by toggling that. You can show alternate currency, which means it will show both Solana and then how much that's worth in USD. You can basically set a background image if you want to. So you can delete this one, for example, and then there will be no background image, or you can just drag and drop your random image. So I'm gonna just drop a random stock image over here, and as you can see, I now have a custom image. And then you can also blur the background in case you would like that, like this. There we go. And you can also change the opacity in case you don't want it to be so prominent. Now, after you do that, you can of course change text as well. So you can change the colors for both decrease color, increase color, and then secondary and primary text. You can make text bold if you want to. You can show text shadows if that's what you're up to, and then that's pretty much it. So you can pretty much customize anything you want, and then once you click on done, you'll be able to see you now have your customized PNL tracker. And of course, if you ever want to go back like this, you can go to settings, you can reset the background, and then it's been reset back to basics. Click done, and that's the basic one. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.